Every so often, a piece of technology comes along that doesn't just feel like an upgrade, it feels like a genuine ground-shaking shift. And that's exactly what happened in late 2022. It's a shift that honestly every single professional needs to get their head around.
So November 30th, 2022, this tool called ChatGPT gets released. And wow, this quote from Box CEO Aaron Levy, it just nails the feeling, doesn't it? It wasn't just another app. It was this moment where millions of us looked at it and just saw the future. It felt human, it felt incredibly powerful, and it absolutely felt like the start of something huge.
And this wasn't just a vibe, right? The numbers were just insane. To get to 1 million users in only 5 days, that's practically unheard of. This wasn't some niche thing for developers or AI researchers. No, this was a massive mainstream event that told us loud and clear that a major change in how we work with technology was here. So what was it that made this feel so different? We've had AI around for years, right? In our Netflix recommendations, in our spam filters. So what's the deal with generative AI? What makes it feel like it's in a completely different league?
Well, the AI we were all used to, what we call traditional or discriminative AI, is basically a really, really smart sorter. You give it a ton of data, and it learns how to put things into different buckets. So think of an app that helps assess fire risk for a building, or a hospital system that tries to predict which patients might miss their next appointment. It's fantastic for prediction, but fundamentally, it's all about analyzing stuff that already exists.
And this is where you can really see the difference. Traditional AI answers a very specific, closed question, like, is this a high fire risk? Yes or no. It discriminates. But generative AI, it takes an open-ended prompt, like, write me a plan. It's not just sorting information, it's creating something brand new. It generates. That's the leap.
So what is the secret sauce here? What are the key ingredients that give this new AI its incredible power? Well, a really sharp analysis from Goldman Sachs pointed to 3 core features that make it so unique. Okay, first, it's general. You're not stuck with just one specialized task. You can ask it to do a massive range of things. Second, as we just talked about, it's generative. It actually makes new stuff. But this third point, this one is maybe the biggest game changer for all of us in the workplace. It's approachable. You don't have to be a coder. You don't need to be a data scientist. You just talk to it in plain English. And that just blew the doors wide open for everyone. And because it's so approachable, people are already putting it to work in all kinds of amazing ways. So let's stop talking about the theory and look at how professionals are actually using this stuff right now.
Just look at the variety here. You've got professionals using it to draft all sorts of content, from complex project plans to grant applications. They're using it as a brainstorming partner, like a research assistant that never gets tired. Coders are using it to help write and troubleshoot their code. And of course, people are getting creative with it, generating everything from marketing copy to poetry and song lyrics. It's incredible.
So here's the bottom line. This technology isn't some far-off futuristic idea anymore. It's here, and it's already changing how work gets done. So the most important question for every single one of us is no longer if we're going to use these tools. The real question is, how can we use them most effectively to create, to innovate, and to really excel at what we do? That's the challenge, and the huge opportunity right in front of us.